Most manufacturing maintenance programs are still calendar-driven, not condition-driven. The result is wasted labor, unnecessary part spend, and unplanned downtime that silently erodes your overall equipment effectiveness every day. Accrete changes that by combining IoT-enabled asset intelligence with SAP's embedded AI capabilities and prescriptive analytics. SAP AI sits at the core, processing real-time sensor data, learning failure patterns across your asset base, and surfacing precise, actionable recommendations directly within your SAP environment. No separate tools, no manual interpretation, just intelligence built in. Asset lifecycle management, a unified view from acquisition to retirement with policy and compliance built in. Real-time IoT insights, live sensor data analyzed by SAP AI to identify risk before failure occurs. Optimized scheduling and dispatch, condition-based work orders generated and assigned automatically. Mobile-enabled execution, technicians act in the field with full asset context, logging completions that feed back into the AI loop. The result, higher OEE, reduced unplanned downtime, lower maintenance costs, and a workforce that spends time fixing real problems, not chasing false alarms. This is the shift from reactive to prescriptive, powered by SAP AI, delivered by Accrete. Call us today for a free consultation. Accrete Consulting Solutions, transforming maintenance, maximizing performance.